I went from chasing leads and burning out to closing high-ticket clients while I sleep. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I automated my six-figure business using AI and simple tools, so you can do the same, even if you're just getting started. Back when I started, I was doing everything manually, calling leads, chasing follow-ups, scheduling meetings, and I just knew that there had to be a better way. Then I discovered AI and automation. I realized I could clone my voice, automate lead gen, and let tech handle the grunt work. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build an automation for your business from scratch, step by step, and how it's generating results for me. Also, I'm going to be doing one of the biggest giveaways in this industry, so watch this video to the end for more information. Let's get back to the video now. So if I was going to automate a business from scratch, here's exactly how I would do it. I would use a system and a platform like Go High Level, which we have white label under Funding Flow. I just created a brand new sub account under it, so you can see that this is literally from scratch. As soon as I got in, I would go ahead and start at the launchpad and basically connect everything that my business could need. Literally connect the Facebook page, Google My Business if you have one, WhatsApp, Stripe so you can process payments, and add in any team members if you have one. First thing, what we want to do is create a website. First thing that we want to do when we get into a Go High Level account is go to settings, business profile, fill out all this information, every single little thing, hit update information. This is super important. You're going to go to phone numbers and you are going to basically start the A2P process. If you already have a website, great. Make sure you have a privacy policy and terms of services page linked on your form. I'll show you how to do that if you don't. This is the first step into doing SMS campaigns and so on and so forth. SMS is very good for lead interaction and engagement. Cold email works too, but you're going to get a high response off of SMS as well. So let's start from, this is nothing. You have nothing. Boom. So let's create a brand new one. And what's cool about this is you can choose from a bunch of different templates from, different industries, or you can create one from scratch, or you can use AI to actually build out your website. So let's just say AI automations. Let's just do marketing. So marketing consultant. We want to generate leads, get appointments, showcase your services, sell products and services. Let's go ahead and get leads. Let's have it be inspirational. And boom, let AI do the work. I'm going to pause this video, and then when it's done loading, then I'll go ahead and start it back up. So this is what AI did for us. And you can edit this however you want, add headlines, different widgets if you want, buttons, elements, you can add forms, so on and so forth, and I'll go over this in a second. But this is what AI created for us. So came up with the images, the copy, everything. You can build off of this, making it super easy to just plug and play. Next thing, what you want to do is you want to save this, and we're going to put a calendar form right here. So we're going to go to Forms Builder. I'm going to create new. Bada bing, bada boom. We want to collect their name for A2P verification and your applications. We want to have this off. Cannot have these required for A2P verification. So we're going to be collecting their name, email, phone, if they put their phone. We'll call this AI. It's also changed. So I just clicked on this, submit, save that. You can add a bunch of different other elements to it. If you want to collect their address, put in your own fields, drop downs, checkboxes. You can put in your own terms and condition, images, file uploads, date picker, signature, everything. So very, very customizable, literally just drag and drop, but we don't need that. Just going to be getting the lead contact information. So now that this is saved, we're going to go back and we are going to the calendars. I'm going to create a new calendar. Let's do a round robin. AI automation. Also add in your team members. Got to do that. So go to my staff. All right. Well, I already have this because those are my emails within the sub account. But basically, what we'll do: calendars, calendar settings, go to calendar. Choose your availabilities, the meeting duration, and you also want to put the custom URL, AI calendar. Then you would just click save. Well, let me do advanced settings, calendars. So what we're going to do is edit this, forms and payment. We're going to have them, we're going to collect their information first, right? So then they'll be able to put in their information after. Save all this. You can customize all this, but I'm just doing this for the sake of the video, just trying to build things out so you guys can see it. Now this is done. Now we'll go back to sites. Click on this. If you don't already have a domain, by the way, you can if you do, you can connect it here, or you can buy one directly. Settings, domains, buy your domain, and then you can integrate it into the site. Sure. So what we're going to do is we clicked on this, start your automation journey, open pop-up. I'm going to go to pop-up settings. We're going to add a different element here. Boom. So we're going to be able to collect their information. I think I didn't put the right form. Hold on. Calendars, calendar settings. Yeah. So you want to click in here in forms and payment. Use the form that we just built. Save that because it'll do a default form. Okay, but for A2P and all that stuff, you want to make sure that that's taken care of. So we'll go back to sites. Yeah, automation. Edit. Make sure that is doing pop-up. And we'll do pop-up settings. Click right here. Calendar. And this is the calendar that we'll save that. Preview it. Lead clicks on this. Form pops up. You want to hyperlink your privacy policy and terms of services page right here. Lead will fill out this information. I'll just do this for the sake of it. That's one. Now a client can book on your calendar. Boom. You can integrate this with Google Calendar, Outlook, iCloud, whatever. That's just that example. But now, how do we automate follow-up, so on and so forth? Go back here. So now we're going to go to automations. So we want to start with a trigger. The trigger is customer booked appointment. Now we add filters in calendar, automations. We're going to save that trigger, and then we'll put booking reminders. Okay. You can also use Workflow AI to tell it what you want it to do, and it'll walk you through on what to build out. Don't need that. So as soon as a customer books an appointment, we also want to send an internal notification, say an email, say lead bot, booked a call, and you can use custom values, their contact name. You have a booked call with contact, full name, space right there, on Boom. Super simple. All users. We want to let ourselves know that, hey, we got an appointment. This email is going to go to the lead. Say lead bot booking presentation. Thanks for booking our meeting. We will forward to speaking. So, and also tag the lead because they booked a call, so we want to tag them with high priority. And we can continuously do this all the way up to, and then we can also send SMS. You can do this all the way up until the right before the meeting, and just build it out like that. So this is just simple how to build point reminders within the automations. Save that, make sure it's published. Now you're like, okay, that's cool, whatever. Like sending them reminders. But like, how do I book appointments on autopilot? Go here to AI agents, conversation AI. We want to do this appointment booking. Let's just give this one Sophia, have it run on autopilot. We want it to do Instagram, Facebook, chat widget, live chat, WhatsApp, every single channel. And then you can put your business name or it'll automatically do it. Wait time, say about 6 seconds. We want to put this up to the max, which is 25 messages that a bot can respond. Save that. Bot training. So once you build all your website with all your information, you can just put the link here and then it'll get all the data off your website and basically pull everything that it needs to know, giving it information and feeding it like its knowledge right here. Right here. So you can add as many links in your website as possible. You can add in your own custom frequently asked questions, and we'll go here, bot goals. This is like pre-done for you, so you don't really need to do much. You can tweak the prompting and the personality to make it sound a little bit more human-like. You can have it say, you have imperfect grammar, like, so you talk with clients like personally and enjoy fireside conversations with just something random to just kind of give them a little bit more personality in the bots. We also have a separate ChatGPT prompt builder that can fill out all this information for you and fine tune it. We'll have it book appointments on this calendar. We can trigger a workflow after booking reminders, boom, and we can test it out right here. Hey, I'm interested what you offer. So what you do. So because I didn't give it the information off of the website, it's just going off of the prompt that it was given. Can I book a meeting tomorrow? Actually, what times are available Monday? So it'll give me the slots and everything like that. Let's do 8. Boom, I just set an appointment. So if we go back over here to calendars, appointment list view, boom, book the appointment, April 25th, and then the demo, that was the one I booked manually. This is the one that it booked through the actual chatbot. And then we go to conversations. Da-da-da. Because we don't have A2P set up, this SMS did not send, but the email did send. So that's how you automate that whole process. There's a lot more fine tuning involved, but I'm just showing you guys the basics. So let's also set up the voice spot that does inbound, have it be the same name. Choose a voice for it.
Before you put on a frown, make absolutely sure there are no smiles available.
Boom. Hit next. We want to collect their name, email, address, and why they're calling. Then you'll just attach it to a number once you're A2P verified. What else? So that's basically it to run like automated appointment booking. What you really want to do is you want to blast out emails, go to marketing, emails, campaigns, and then create email campaigns and start blasting them out to your lead list. Also, if you go to contacts, you'll be able to blast out SMS blasts as well. That'll create the engagement for the AI bot to take over and then start prompting it to book appointments. And that's all done natively on Go High Level. We have a lot more stuff built out under our clients' sub accounts. But another cool thing is that you can clone your voice. So all you need is a basic plan, $22 a month. You can add voices and create your own professional voice clone. Now, this is mine. It's my voice. I put in about an hour worth of audio. You want to make sure that you have clean audio in it. And then what you want to do is you want to publish that. Then go to Vappy. Wasn't recording the other, but yeah, you want to go to 11 Labs. I'll drop a link below. You'll get the base package, $22 a month. Then you'll go to create voices, professional voice clone right here. And this is mine. So it sounds just like we'll publish that. Then we'll go over to Vappy. Ta-da. For some reason, this page isn't loading. And basically give it a huge prompt like this. We have a GPT that'll spit out the proper prompt for you. And I'll go ahead and talk to it right now. I'm doing good. How are you? Yeah, man, I'd like to automate my business, incorporating AI agents and automation, so on and so forth, so I can start booking more appointments and closing more deals. Oh, well, what times are available? About next week, Friday in the morning. 10 a.m. sounds good. Well, what else do you guys do? Beautiful. Thank you. So that's how you would create the actual voice prompting, everything like that. And that's where you 11 Labs, Vappy, and then there's a make automation that we integrate. The make and end-to-end automations are a little bit more complex, and I definitely recommend reaching out to our team to kind of help you get that set up. But I'll drop links for Vappy and NAN, 11 Labs, all that good stuff, so we can get those put together for you. And that's how you automate your business from start to finish. Very simple. Obviously, there's more that you can put into it, but this is a simplified version of how to automate a business entirely. So here's the biggest giveaway in the industry. I'll be automating the whole business of one of my followers for free. To participate in this giveaway, just give me a follow and DM me giveaway on my Instagram, and I'll choose someone in the next couple days. Also, if you're serious about building a remote income stream, join my community where I'll help you start all of this from scratch. Do subscribe to my channel and I'll make your life a lot easier with automations and AI.